nigga! Oh, shit! One time ain't welcome, Frank.
Ugly ass bitch. Man, leave us be, motherfucker. Man, stop driving all conspicuous and shit.
You got weak ass vision, homie. I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool.
You get busted with a bad name. What the cops care about us getting away?
I ain't catching this.
Damn, anyone out of this quote? This is air support. We can't see it.
Keep them rollers off us.
You's an ugly motherfucker. That's it, we lost him. Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
Man, we going back to my crib, man, and you can walk from there.
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dawg.
This all on you, LD, lanky dumbass.
Me? Hey, I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Actually, we ain't CGL for life, because all that means is we giving you money for nothing. We got our own shit now, homie. Foreign gangsters.
Oh, no, he don't mean that, Lo. F just talking outside his neck.
I'ma reach cross lines, all right? Conversate with the purple homies.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit.
But if I gotta hang you assholes out for this, the gang comes first.
Oh, it ain't gonna come to that. You all diplomatic and shit.
Yeah, he a real fucking diplomat, ain't he? This that peace-talking motherfucker we should have sent to the Middle East.
Here we are, man. You gonna hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark-ass bitch.
Buster.
Is that steaming pile of shit a present for not training you? Let's hit the pavement. Come on. You hear that, Chop? Bring it back, boy. Chop, come here. All right, man, you cool.
Randy's looking for you.
What a load of BS!
Get it, boom. You hood, Chop. Go get the ball, Chop.
This is way.
Good boy. Yo, that's my boy Franklin. Get the ball for me, boy. That's Trill, homie. Fetch, boy. Good, Chop. Good, Chop.
Damn it!
Run you over.
How you feel?
I'll remember.
Fetch the ball, Chop, Chop.
What was that?
Ah, that hurt.
You can kiss my booty.
All right, man, you cool. Oh, you got hands, huh, dog? Bring it back, boy.
What the fuck is that?
Don't beat yourself up, Chop. I got another ball.
No.
Get him, Chop.
Hey, what's happening?
Yeah, all right, dog.
What's up, homie?
Hey, over here, Chop.
Stupid.
What the fuck is that? Oh, I ain't see shit.
Mess him up, little homie. Here, over here. Get out of here, Chop. Back home.
Oh, if it was only that simple, sister.
Hey, Auntie D. You certainly have a tough menopause, Auntie D.
Oh, I'm gonna live that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Smoking and riding, smoking and riding.
I often wonder why you never got married. Then I remember your personality.
There's one thing that has not been outsourced yet, and that's hip-hop. Now, I'm sure someone from somewhere out
Ain't
there
that
been
the
trying
truth?
to- Soon maybe all of our gangster rap is gonna come from China, and then we'll get our mellow party jams from India. But for right now, we're keeping everything focused on the streets of Los Santos.
You're coming to church with me.
Too fast on the gas, don't change me. Slow down. Slow down. I tell him, slow down. No, you can't catch me. I move too fast.
Pump your brakes, slow down, partner. We're about to go ahead and get into this Clyde Carson for you.
I tell him, I'm on the case getting sideways. $4.05 on the highway. You know a nigga say just that on the dolo mission. I got a date with the K. Wide walk, 3 a.m. Probably touch down when the sun come in. Guards at the gate. Tired as fuck after that 8-hour race. I come from the land where we swing our cars. Figure 8 dance concrete.
That bastard just took my money!
Back to back race the Benz with the photo Porsche. I'm tearing up ties in this luxury. Hella smoke, but you wanna fuck with me. Money on my mind ain't nothing for free. Trying to keep up with me, but it's nothing to me. Slow that shit. You can't catch me. I'm too fast on the gas.
Ah, crap, that hurt.
Hey, look, man.
Look! You were like a son to me. Employee of the month. Does that mean nothing to you?
Man, the dude had a gun in my head.
No loyalty, no integrity. You should have taken the bullet. My business, my totally legitimate business. You are fucked, my boy. Fucked.
Black scaled out in my ring beam. Diamond certified. I ain't never lied. I ain't had L since Pac died. Riding through the biters. Couple brothers talking about sliders. Running my life, mine still swift. Bet X movement, all on the beach. Out in the stash, my script, no purpose. Won't give a nigga that.
Slow down. No, you can't catch me. I'm going too fast. The gas don't chase me. Slow down. Slow down. I tell him, slow down. No, you can't catch me. I move too fast when the gas don't chase me. Slow down. Slow down.
Something don't feel too good.